Let's turn once more to Storm Watch 12 meteorologist Josh Colbraith. We think his hiccups are gone now, so he'll be able to tell us the forecast.
It's because I stopped thinking about them. We had a very passionate discussion about hiccups off camera, but yes, the hiccups are gone, but the rain is approaching, although it's not going to be much. This is a weakening storm system, but it's a storm system nonetheless that's right off the coast, and it is bringing some drizzle right now to the coastline. The rest of this is just noise on the radar, so don't pay too much attention to that. Let's go ahead and put this in motion with Stormcast, and we picked up the action. We started it at around 8 in the morning on Friday, which is tomorrow, of course, and by the time we get to lunchtime tomorrow, I think this is when the bulk of the action is going to start to pick up along the coast. But as this storm system continues to move off towards the east, it's going to weaken, which means that the coastal ranges are going to eat up a lot of this moisture. Now, we're not ruling out some showers for inland valleys to the west of the Cascades, but I think the bulk of this, again, is going to be along the coastline. Okay, here's where the forecast starts to get very interesting. So overnight, as we head into Saturday, could have a few showers left over, nothing too impactful. But as we head into Saturday morning, this is right around 9 a.m., you can see there's a big old chunk of the News Watch 12 viewing area that's going to have clouds. And that is unfortunate because we have the solar eclipse that's going to happen during this time frame. Now, there will be some areas of sunshine. Right now, it's looking like that's more likely to happen in portions of Klamath and Lake counties, but this is just a little moment in time in this forecast, and this is certainly subject to change. If you think forecasting for rain is hard or snow, try forecasting for just clouds. Those are very chaotic and dynamic items within the atmosphere. So for tonight, it's going to be cold. We're going to be below freezing to the east of the Cascades, 30s and 40s for west side valleys, near 50 along the coast in Curry County. So please, to the east of the Cascades, protect the outdoor pets, plants, and plumbing. And then for tomorrow, not only will we have that chance for rain along the coast and in our valleys, but the winds are going to shift out of the south, and it is going to be very blustery. The winds could gust between 20 to 45 miles per hour, with some of the fastest wind gusts being within the Shasta Valley, more like 35 to 40 miles per hour. So not only do we have the eclipse going on over the weekend, but also we have the Heart of the Rogue Festival going on. It's for Friday and Saturday, so half of the weekend technically, but the weather is going to be decent. We're going to have comfortable temperatures, and there will be a small chance for rain. It's not going to be a washout, but again, the other big thing that's going on is the solar eclipse. And like I just showed you on Stormcast, it's not looking great for the viewing because of the cloud coverage. But the good news is that, again, we will get a little bit of rain. Not much over the weekend, but it's looking like Monday is definitely going to be the wettest day over the next 7 days, and then starting to trend much drier as we head into the rest of next week. Also starting to trend a little bit warmer as we'll finally be above average once again for Wednesday and Thursday. Here's a 7-day forecast for the coast. Lots of chances of wet weather through Tuesday, and then we'll have a dry day for Wednesday, but then a small shower chance for Thursday. For Siskiyou County, the slightest chance of a shower tomorrow. I think the main feature for tomorrow's forecast is going to be the winds gusting again out of the south between 35 to 40 miles per hour. And then for the basin, we'll have clouds over the weekend, which I think is going to be the main aspect to the forecast. For the mountains, we'll have several chances of wet weather through Tuesday, looking much drier and warmer for Wednesday and Thursday. Then for the Rogue Valley, we'll also track kind of an unsettled pattern through Tuesday, but looking much brighter and warmer by Wednesday and Thursday.